Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice and welcome to my channel Kinky for Lisa. So today's video is going to be a quick one. I got this selfie ring light that I want to show with you. It says it's a ring light that can be used to enhance your picture quality when you're using your phone to take a selfie. Yeah. So this is how it comes, okay, in the box. This is how it looks like. A little bit big or something, yeah, but this is how it looks like. And it has this micro charger in the box. So that's the only thing that you see in this. So you can charge it, it's chargeable. It doesn't have batteries. And this is the settings on and off button. Okay. So you turn it on, you increase, and then you increase again. Okay, so you can see, turn it off, first, second, third. Okay, so I'm gonna try this to see if it really does work, because I really don't know if this is going to enhance the picture quality or my selfie or whatever. So what I'm gonna be doing now is to stick it to my phone. Okay, I'm actually recording with the phone, so I'll just stick it to the phone, turn off the light for my ring light, and see what will happen if I decide to kind of like film with it. Like, you see that thing? Yeah. So let's just put it here. Okay, it feels so. It is right on the phone here that I'm filming with, and I'm gonna turn off. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off first. I've turned on the first. I'm going to turn off this. Okay. Okay, so let's turn it off. Okay. Okay, this is off. Right. Off. And just my room light, which is not that bright. And so I'm going to turn this thing on first. And then there is some sort of brightness, as you can see, right? Second. Another sort of brightness. Third. Okay. Not bad. Not that bad, right? Okay, so I'm going to turn it off. And then turn the ring light on. Okay. Turn it on again. I just want to see if there's a difference. Did you guys notice any difference? If you do, let me know in the comment section below, okay? Okay. So let's turn off the ring light again, okay? So this is not going to give you something popping, but of course, when you are in the dark or you've gone out with your friends and then you're looking to just like take something, a video, record a video or take a selfie or something of that sort, this could really be handy just to give you the light to be able to record, but not for those professional kind of like shoots. I'm not sure this thing is going to help you out with that, but it's definitely going to give you some sort of light or brightness for you to take some simple videos with or pictures with. Yes, so let me just turn on my ring light. Okay, so that's it about this selfie ring light. Let me take it off the phone. Okay, so that's all about this selfie ring light, and I hope, if you're considering it, just consider what I talked about. It's not for a professional shoot, but just for a simple day-to-day, kind of like brightening the your picture quality, or giving your photos some sort of light to enhance its, so that's the quality or just the brightness. I mean the brightness, yes. So that's about it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Thank you so much. I will definitely see you same time next week with another video. Until then, as always, do stay blessed and don't forget to come back. Bye.